Hey guys, my name is Poushali Ghosh and today I'm gonna show you how you can remove your upper lips hair in a complete painless way. So first thing that I wanted to share with you, that is, I never visit any beauty parlor or any beauty salon to remove my upper lips hair. I do this always in my home and I'm doing this like 3 to 4 years now and I don't face any problem. So firstly I wanted to apologize for two things, that I don't have any camera or any fancy phone, so I don't know that you were able to see those little tiny hairs or not, but I'm gonna share the whole technique so that you can give this a try. And the second thing is that I don't have any AC in my room, so my fan is on because it's May 16 and it's really hot in here, and I'm really sorry about the fan noise. So come to the point now. I am using this kind of a scissor to remove my upper lips hair, but if you don't have this, you can also try this kind of a scissor. And these scissors are really cheap, and I mean you can buy these kinds of a scissor for like 40 to 50 rupees, and this will last for like 3 to 4 years or more than 3 to 4 years. I don't know if you are able to see those tiny little hairs or not, but it's really there, and I remove the hair like this. So from the very close of your upper lip, you need to cut those hair like this. And make sure that you don't cut yourself, otherwise it's really gonna a mess. And I love this method because it's completely painless and effective and convenient, so I really enjoy doing this method, except you cut yourself. So I fast forward the video a little bit, and lots of YouTuber gonna told you that if you shave your upper lips hair and the hair is not gonna grow thicker and fuller, but in my case that didn't happen because I shave a little bit of my upper lips hair, and in that area my hair did grow thicker. So yeah. And I also wanted to let you know that I did my eyebrow at my home in a completely painless way because I can't tolerate any pain. So if you are interested, then let me know through the comment section. And now I am dusting off those tiny little hair, and that's it. This is the process of removing your upper lips hair in a complete painless way. You have to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Because of this video you can save your lots of money and make yourself rich. So subscribe to my channel because subscription is absolutely free, and what are you waiting for? Christmas? Stay healthy and help this poor little child to grow up by your subscription. I love you all. Bye bye.